bicep trên là dấu lầu cái này lắm đâu không mà cơ mất thì do họ nấu tuần này tụi họ
quá là không ai go
Aizawl cái pronation ông lâu cái bicep tụi ông cupping lệ anh lâu tụi ông bicep tụi ông pronation ông lâu tụi tôi như yên lâu lắm
go
cái hiệu ống đâu còn có trên nào còn có trên
go
mắn thì nó được cái làm sao không có trên chỗ nào có hắn thầm có hụt rất là nhiều bằng ấy đây nó cái bóng hơi rất
go
không gì không đâu bởi vì không ở rồi trung心để mà bởi center là mà một chất tiền bao phân dụng tiền quá sao đấy cái là mà này mày
Itu,
cái mình vào cái tiền chất
anu sih, betul, betul.
drip
Go. Ini method ang tolong beo bapuy.
Aizawl nó từ
Ilong là tổ nghe, thì mình khạ ghê.
như mình nói
Ano yan? Asa tu khai với cả thì mình khạ chuan mo.
drip go
Isoy, lúc tu. Makadali lang po. Ang sumo, parang hatay ka kaya.
Rasuan aku lina normal
Oh, kakaniya. Roll, omsi, omlaw, ta chuan mo.
Saya tak po press stop
같이 나가면 되고 다음
ăn không về đại hiên
Kapot, jauh lah orang tu ni.
kemana mau không có đồ đá hơn
Nasa?
Parang hoa thon gì cả
Kalau kau follow lang, betul. Kalau zoom lu thal tu ah. Roll, zong itu ya.
Mizoram ron cấp khác cho cả thùng
Roll zong tu harang.
Aizawl Lift it up
Cara tu. để lắp về các bột thì đâu phải
yes, mấy miệng rồi.
các bạn là rồi
Đen khờ lệ thấy mày à?
phải là
Refresh cái bằng
Ờ.
Bám chụp qua bên đường.
Ờ.
Có thằng ngon đi không? Dây đó cũng không được. Bác tôi sẽ ép niệm phép. Thì Juan, bác ở trong đó thì cũng sắm. Nó có số. Go! Anh nhìn thấy nó có là mắt sẽ lâu như không? Ai, thằng, lại rồi.
À.
thằng mà sen
Các hàng chia nó về.
sen cứ theo nó có phô lắm
So, step sang.
tăng sốc
Tỏ hai đứa. À. Ai. Hay tôi quyền view. À hay thôi mà. Sẽ thằng ngàn con. Giấu tỏ. Slow mẹ à. À, giấu tỏ chứ.
go
Hay nóng tỏ là. Anh gì khác. Rồi, bắt thật. À. Ê, mang đây rồi, ăn hết rồi. Đây có lối để ship ngay được không? Đây, trong close này. Đó, bắt đầu trong lâu được sáng. Ồ. Tại các thằng nó không có được. Nó tiêu đâu đấy. Ta cả đen hin nó lỗ mồ. Ấy, ngó vào bể mình đi. Đen xin đấy. Xin tệ. Thì mấy mình ha, mấy hồ chặt rất rồi.
đi đủ về ngay hay ăn cứng tôi đủ rồi
Cho thầy là cho nên lần thầy lỗ mồ.
miếng rice sống bọc xì à
Nơi để nó xây tổ thế.
ai chơi chứ
Thằng cái còn phố đó vì. Skum up. Sai xếp phụ phụ. Sai xếp phụ. À thôi luôn tôi. Nó được thôi là về.
Cái này là đang step.
go
Thằng ấy nào. Ê, heo, nó thốt nó có được rồi, đúng rồi, ăn câu.
go
Say tóc rồi.
Go.
Ấy, có đi sẽ có được rồi chứ mà. Có trận là ngay rồi chứ.
Cái buồn lắm mà. Xong hiện có đó. Hey, tôi nói chân, đi ra cần thì tôi bắt đầu đi chọn tôi vào.
Bet don hay su? À, tiểu rồi mấy.
Anh mà đi rồi mấy mà. Bây giờ chịu hết thì cũng mất thịt nghe sao?
Sáng thì xong thì. Một cái bát thà.
go
Con mày chơi tốn nhiều. Rồi lúc đấy.
mấy con này
Là xong rồi. Ai dul to ni ha. Nó vẫn bảo số một qua. Cái phiền mấy người ta.
go
Chắc đấy là.
go cái lỗ bất trần thế à?
Go.
Bây giờ thì lâu lâu thì lâu thì đã
Go. Hui rồi. Hui rồi. Hui rồi. Lại tao in. Lại tao hui rồi. Bây giờ bà lăn trên cái máy phải ngay.
Lo se có lỗ mà.
We are here to announce Activate Fitness Academy for the first day. What we are, Activate Fitness Academy is an international partner with ISSA, ACE and NASM. We provide all the international certifications and we are one of the top notch in Delhi NCR. We do have 3 centers already and this is the 4th one. And we are the exclusive partners with Lalṭhasanga. He is the exclusive holder for Activate Fitness Academy in Mizoram and he's the only one who's gonna take care of the trainings of the examination. I hope everybody is understanding English. So, Activate Fitness Academy will be offering very affordable, this is his the best initiative he has done, as we are the only ones providing education in the fitness industry at a very economical prices. So he wants everybody in Mizoram to be and the nearby states to be certified at a very affordable cost with the best education. So we are the only ones providing the best education. We work with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Skill Development and Initiative with Grameen Skill Mission. We are also a partner with Skill India. So we are offering a proper, authentic national and international certifications which will give you a complete education in fitness industry to become a personal trainer, to become a strength and conditioning coach, to become a certified sports nutritionist. And once you become this, you have many ways open in India as well as abroad. Some of our students are already working in Canada, USA and Dubai, and this is a really big initiative he has taken for such people and students and youngsters and the youth to learn about fitness and start their career. As most of you are already sports person, as I was also a sports person, I still am, just like he is. So we only have to do certain things. We have to provide education in fitness industry. We have to train people for fitness. This is what we do. This is what we have done till now, right? Koi aisa hai, is anyone here who is so much keen about education? I don't think so. But if I ask you, are you good with sports? 90% of you are already good with sports. There's only few academies who are providing certification in these areas. So he has taken a very good initiative for providing such wonderful certifications at an economical prices. These certifications are absolutely global. Global means you can go to USA, you can go to Canada, you can go to Europe, you can go to Dubai, UAE, wherever you want to. You can apply for your job from that particular certification, which we are both going to provide as an academy. It's a 3 months of training program which consists of completely theory and practical trainings. And these theory consist of biomechanics, anatomy, physiology, exercise science, all of these things which are required to become a personal trainer. And apart from this, the practical trainings will be conducted here itself at Activate Fitness Academy Mizoram Center. We are going to come and train you practically for 70 to 75 hours. And the assessment, the examination will be conducted here itself. The scoring will be provided to you at your given mobile number, and once you clear the examination, the certification distribution for the hard copy will be done by him here only. So this is what he has taken a responsibility for all of you I wish you all the best, and everybody, especially Lalṭhasanga, happy birthday and welcome to the Activate Fitness Academy family. So, good round of applause for Lalṭhasanga for this initiative. So, this is all from my side. Do you have to say something in your native language?
No pang ho tan po, waiting ho tan po ke mani jingge kal tan po han chuwa soi tong han an mani so far in an approve ni bang han le baka international anga kal na chance ka o mani jo chu ke mani na kan soi ri ngot khan bidang in tam takin an oi lo the ya chumi bangan mani ko cho ha te mu na ron tingai tu ra ti kan ya chuan practical kha he te na mu na kan ti vek don bo ka chuan ama certificate kan lo ti to na ang tele kan wai ka chang na rin tlak jok don ti kha lo ring top ula chuan MSSC ho pakhat thulawam deuh sport and youth services atanga min thilania amani government of India nan approve le ISSA ho nan approve ani bang khan anmani certificate mang hian sport and youth services strength and conditioning train na an du chuan kan certificate mang ina di the don so ka na mu the don ang ani jo chu tu na po yan hong me ka ma se ke mani atang chuan tu ma dil the kan nom no san chu approve an certificate kan la ni lo wangin tu man na di kan la dil the lo ni jo ma se in nei ku na chuan sport and youth services no ya I mol pu ya te ni mo holen dora te po train na ran du khan ke mani certificate mang ni dil the don ti ka ran choi po ka
So, can we have only females here for a picture? Especially these and you. The first batch for the online classes is starting from 10th of March. It's starting from 10th of March. Whosoever is looking to become a personal trainer, whosoever is looking for a certification which is valuable, they can start your registration for the 10th of March batch. I repeat, it's a 10th of March batch. The classes will be conducted absolutely online. You can just join the classes online only, and the practical trainings will be conducted right after the theory is completed. So, if anybody is interested, please raise your hands up and let us know. We'll do the registration process for all of you for the 10th of March batch. Huh? Personal? Price, okay. So the price as given is actually 32,000 for the ISSA certification. But as we are starting here, I am giving an additional discounts for the international certifications. Please listen up carefully. Wait. The price is 32,000, which includes your certified personal trainer, which includes your strength training specialist, which includes your nutrition certification. All of the three certification in one bundle. All the three. It would take 32,000, which is all inclusive. Examination has 2 attempts. The exam is included, material is included, video recorded lectures are included, the coaching is included, everything is included. And we are offering it at the additional cost discount. This will be 30,000 for today. People who are looking to enroll for the 10th of March batch. All you need to do is paying the registration amount, which is 50% of the total cost, and the remaining balance can be paid next month. So it can pay in 2 splits. Half at the time of registration and half can be done next month. Will that be fine? Perfect? Huh? And for the national ones, this was for the international certification ISSA. For the national certification, the overall cost for the complete certification is 15,000 only. Only 15,000 for a certified personal trainer certification, which is national, valid in India, not the international one. The training is same, the quality is same, the facilities are the same, but the pricing is less because of the national certification. So whosoever is interested, either the national or the international ones, they can let us know and we can start with the registration process after you eat the cake.
Thank you. International course class in Pum Sang in Donati Kajonati Donama. Joan, national big Kajo Amanaron Tiam Lenica. main sing yang muncul sing kacang atau kau di sana jauh cuma nak anak ini tu aman benar sudah nama cuman cucu national big head yang lain pun ayun pantu orang big ang kau sing kacang lain min kau don dan semua sing kacang lain ati itu